Right, I am in Albion, New York, and I'm walking along the river, and I'm just kind of figuring this out that there's a whole bunch of shore power posts, and there's places to tie up a boat. So it looks like somewhere along the way, flip this around. When the canal boats get going, it looks like if they need a place to stay, they just attach themselves right there. They got a place to hook up to power, place to chain up, and you got a place to park. All along there's a whole bunch. Jeez, that's not much clearance.